The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Millard County in southwestern Arkansas, Lafayette County in southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Columbia County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, north central Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northern Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fouke, or 15 miles northeast of Atlanta, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Spring Hill, Cullen, Plain Dealing, Cotton Valley, Sarepta, Fouke, Bradley, Taylor, Emerson, Garland, Ida, Shongaloo, Bussey, Smithland, Ravenna, Genoa, Bright Star, Canfield, Macedonia, and Welcome. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, Bossier, Caddo, and Webster, and the following counties in Arkansas, Columbia, Lafayette, and Miller. Severe thunderstorm watch.
Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 289, in effect until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time, for the following counties in the listening area, in Arkansas: Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Sebastian, and Washington. Hail up to golf ball size and wind gusts up to 70 miles an hour will be possible in and close to the watch area. Average storm movement is expected to be to the east at 30 miles an hour. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Benton County in northwestern Arkansas, Washington County in northwestern Arkansas, southeastern Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Adair County in northeastern Oklahoma, east central Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma, until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:07 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northeast of Colker to 4 miles southeast of Scraper to 3 miles northeast of Tahlequah, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Fayetteville, Springs, Tahlequah, Siloam Springs, Lowell, Farmington, Prairie Grove, Gentry, Toddtown, West Fork, Lincoln, Cave Springs, Decatur, Westville, Greenland, West Siloam Springs, Colgard, Highville, Watts. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 52 and 80. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. It's lock time. It's lock time, baby. Oh, here we go. It's Slaughterhouse. Oh, my goodness. What is happening? Turn this on. It's the Lighthouse in here.
Here is the forecast for the Chicago metropolitan area. This is the National Weather Service in Valley, Nebraska. The preceding audio signals and alarm tones were a test of NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This alerts you that an emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. The emergency alert system codes and alarm tones are used by weather warnings and emergency messages for 51 counties in eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, plus Washington, Marshall, Nemaha, Brown, and Donovan counties in northwest Missouri. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to our regular programming. Now for the official National Weather Service.
Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The following is a routine weekly test. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm Device and Emergency Alert System. During potentially dangerous weather situations and civil emergencies, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending danger. A test of these receivers is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, weather permitting. In the event of the test being canceled, it will then be rescheduled for the next day between 11 a.m. and noon. This is NOAA weather radio station KIG 79 operating 24 hours a day on the frequency of 162.55 megahertz, with transmitting facilities in Davidson County. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management and the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency. Repeating, this has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings, or civil emergencies, at the counties of Cheatham, Davidson, Dixon, Macon, Maury, Montgomery, Robertson, Rutherford, Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, Williamson, and Wilson. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
In Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Oktibbeha County in northeastern Mississippi, east central Webster County in north central Mississippi, southern Clay County in northeastern Mississippi, southwestern Lowndes County in northeastern Mississippi, until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over FIBA, or 11 miles northwest of Starkville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Starkville around 12:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Sessoms and Mulgrove around 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Artesia and Tibby around 12:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Ben Oak around 12:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for central Early County in southwestern Georgia until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Blakely, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Blakely around 2:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Arlington around 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cuba, Damascus, Early Company Airport, Douglasville, Old Damascus, Rock Hill, and Rowena. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Early, Georgia. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for western Dougherty County in southwestern Georgia, northwestern Baker County in southwestern Georgia, southern Calhoun County in southwestern Georgia, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Morgan, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Morgan around 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Barrie around 2:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Commissary Hill, Terman, Red Star Crossroads, Walker, Bermuda, Holt, and Ducker. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia: Baker, Calhoun, and Doherty.
Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Doherty County in southwestern Georgia, northwestern Baker County in southwestern Georgia, southeastern Calhoun County in southwestern Georgia, east central Early County in southwestern Georgia, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Arlington, Oregon, 11 miles southwest of Morgan, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Barrie around 2:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Commissary Hill, Ivysville, Milford, Bermuda, Elemental WMA, Patmos, Crestview, and Douglasville. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Tallahassee. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Doherty, Georgia.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Etowah County in northeastern Alabama, St. Clair County, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Cleveland to near Clay to near Morris, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, emergency management. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Gadsden, Pell City, Leeds, Moody, Rainbow City, Attala, Oaks Bluff, Springville, Odenville, Lincoln, Glencoe, Margaret, Argo, Asheville, Ragland, Steele, Altoona, Bald Rock, Harrisburg, and Branchville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central and East Central Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: St. Clair, Alabama.
This emergency warning message has been